Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look like a hot mess right now, but I'm not for just stay with me. My hair is all over the place because I did a sewing this time, and for some reason the last hair that I took out, it like really damaged my edges and stuff, so it's like really hard for me to do it, but I couldn't cream it or anything, so I'm gonna go get that cream tomorrow, to lie down and match back with everything. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and I hope that you guys were good all this time that I was not here. Right now, I did tell you guys that I was gonna come with a giveaway. Guys, as you can see, I'm trying to set my area so that we can just have some fun. I'm also waiting on my ring light. It's supposed to be here by next week, so by the next 2 weeks or so, I'll be using the ring light for videos. So wanna just please ignore my messy hair. It's just all over the place right now, but just ignore it. I just say it going, don't know the thing going every day we're hot. Sometimes we're gonna not be hot. Hey, you don't know the thing go. Alright, so watch this now, guys. I have a giveaway. I have a giveaway for you guys, and I hope say you guys participate in this giveaway, because lots of persons give away like phone card and stuff like that. I don't want to be that person. I don't want to give you guys something that's not gonna be memorable, because if me send you some minutes on the phone, one of those I go make 1 and 2 call or put on a 2 service or whatever, and then the minutes is gonna be finito, and I don't want my gift to be like that. So I'm gonna come back like in a few days with the gift prize for the males. So male, please don't feel left out, but it's just that this one that I'm gonna do right now, it's gonna be mostly for the females, because and males can do it too, because guess what, you have a girlfriend and you want your girlfriend feel good, you want to get your girlfriend something, and like, you can do this too. It's for everybody. So as you guys can see, that's gonna be my new backdrop, but I'm trying to fit the sofa in here, or I'm going to use a chair. I don't know yet. But as I said to you guys, I'm trying to set up my little area for you guys, especially because I don't know, say, you love me, I don't know me, love on too. So, we are set with place, period. Like, most of you guys told me to sew in the hair. See, that's what it looks like now, because, like, I could do it how I want. I don't know, say, yes, so you see my hair, my natural hair is there. So, it's not 100% how I'd want it to look, but I'm gonna get it fixed tomorrow. I'm gonna go perm these parts, because I didn't want to do it the other day, because all my edges were torn out. But now, oh my god, I look like a hot mess. I swear to god. The more closer I come to the thing, that's the more I see that I legit look like a hot mess. I don't like how I look. But anyways, like, I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like how I be looking. But anyways, guys, as I was saying to you guys, though, I'm going to show you guys what it is that I'm giving away, and I'm going to tell you guys how to get your prize. So for the first video, I'm going to be giving away 3, oh sorry, that's 2 fingers, 3 of this thing that I'm going to be giving away. And I told you guys I'm giving away something that you guys can remember, have, and be like, oh, B gave me this. It's gonna be so much fun. So stay right there, don't go nowhere. I'm gonna be revealing the giveaway right now. Yo, people, wagwan, I know I look like a hot mop right now, but that's cool. I'm giving away curling irons. I'm giving away curling irons, guys. So guess what, all you gotta do is get 25 persons to subscribe to my YouTube page. Send in the screenshots that you got 25 persons to subscribe, and the curling iron is yours. It's going to just 3 persons. So the 3 first persons to send in their screenshots will get a curling iron. If you're a male and you want to give your girlfriend something nice, you can get her this curling iron. It doesn't matter. So 25 subscribers, and this is yours. I'm giving it to 3 persons. So go ahead and start getting your subs up. Oh, one more thing. If you're a male and you get like 10 subscribers and send proof of 10 of them, you'll get like $1,000 top up credit. But this is just for the first giveaway. Don't overdo it, guys. Don't overdo it. Don't kill me, okay? This is for the first. I'm giving only 3 persons for the first. Love, wanna have fun. Yeah, guys, so as I was telling you, I do not want the male to feel left out. Male, please don't feel left out. Don't mind my messy hair. I know how you go, don't mind my face. I don't know the thing, because sometimes we have to just pal off and go on. But guys, don't mind my messy hair. So this is how this is gonna work. I don't want to give you guys something that you guys are not gonna have for a while. I want to give you guys something that's gonna be memorable, that you guys can have and be using and stuff like that. So this first prize that I'm gonna show is basically like mostly for the females, but if you're a male and you have a girlfriend or a mother or somebody want to give something nice, they can enter the competition too. The rules are pretty simple. All you have to do, listen, all you gotta do is make 25% subscribe to my YouTube page. 25% subscribe to my YouTube page. So you gotta work. Like most of y'all go to school, most of y'all go to church. I don't know. Anywhere y'all go, just get people's phone and ask them to subscribe. Let them subscribe. Screenshot that subscription and send it to my Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram on the screen right there, so you guys can know what Instagram to send it to for a curling iron. So this is gonna be the giveaway prize, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. This is one of them. I pulled it because I wanted to see the size and stuff, because yeah, I like the bigger one, because I have the bigger one and I don't really love it. I don't use it. But this one is just so cuter, you know. It give better curls. You know, them little nice, fine, dropping curly and stuff. So this is the curling iron that I'm going to be giving away, guys. I'm going to give away three. So you gotta work and try to be the first 3 persons. Oh, sorry, I always put up 2. 3 persons to send in their first 25 subscribers will win a curling iron from moi. Only don't know all the thing go. So as I said, I want to give you guys something that's memorable. No one just gonna know little plan. Only don't know all the thing go. Me love Uno most. So yeah, guys, that's the giveaway that I'm gonna be giving away first. My first giveaway is gonna be 3 curling irons. But guess what, guys? Remember that when I see with me, you can't kill me. Don't come at me, because guess what? I'm not getting paid by YouTube yet. No, I'm not getting paid by YouTube yet. This is all coming out of my pocket. So nobody don't come at me. Please and thanks. Back up, sis. Hold up, okay? Yeah, I'm giving y'all what I have to give, what I can afford to give. So who want vex, who want boss. Anyways, all right. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little story time right now too. I'm gonna give you guys a little story time. Come on, a long time, I'm gonna get no story time. I'm gonna know no want it. I'm gonna know how to stay. I'm gonna know how to go, and so I'm gonna give you a little story time. So story time, right? I'm going to tell you guys how I met the guy that took my virginity. So, I went to orientation for grade 9. No, it's grade 10. Yeah, I went to orientation for grade 10 because what happened is, normally when you're a transfer to the school, Homewood Technical High, they normally put you back to lower 9. But if your grades are up there, then they put you to the grade that you're supposed to go upon transferring. So, I was being transferred from BB Coke High School. I was in grade 9 at BB Coke High School. And I was being transferred to Homewood Technical. But then, when the principal saw my my thing, what them call it again, transcript, I never remember. When the principal see my thing, the principal never put me back. He put me to grade 10. So, it's like, I went to grade 10 orientation and I didn't have any friends. I didn't know nobody at the school because everybody knows that me new, I'm fresh and all of that. So, me don't know nobody and nobody don't really know me. So, it's like, I'm going to stop boom and orientation done. So, you know, say everybody around go home because nobody not really know nobody at orientation and thing. So, I was walking down the hill and then I saw this guy, this nice, clean, cute, good looking guy. Yeah, him did stay good. So it's like, the guy I walk down the hill and me I walk down the hill too. But it's like, him cute. So every girl knows when they see a cute guy, you have to look upon him. Yeah. All if you have a boyfriend, when you see a cute guy, you have to check him out. Man, I ask Christ. If you're cute, and I me and my man I want me, I check you out. My man I forgot juke me in my yard, but me I look upon you. Anyways, hey, everybody, it's just on. So I'm going to say boom, bam, bam now. And but so the cute guy come off of the hill and me I come off of the hill. So me I look on the boy. I come and say the boy a nice. See, Jesus, where the boy I come from. The boy I look good. So me I look on the boy, people. And it's like the boy I come down the hill and me I come down the hill too. So it's like, me see my check me out too. Yeah, my look for me, you know. But me start feel nervous cause honestly to God them time there, me never start have sex. Me never start yet. And me never like have that much experience with male. I did not cause my background, my people them did really strict. So I never to really have them much experience there with man. So it's like the boy I check me out. So me know my head just giddy up and start gallop like a ass. Pan came on and struck and them something there. Yeah, girl. Somebody didn't know in a good as and the boy I check me out and I check out the boy too. So it's like I reach at the bottom of the hill now, but the boy is still a come. So I reach at the bottom of the hill, one taxi did it, but me decide say, me not going to that taxi because guess what? Me want me and the boy for driving at the same car. Yeah. But decide say me and the boy must driving at the same car. Me not take the taxi with the boy in there. So the taxi come on. Me see taxi come on now, but the boy never done come on for the hill yet. So me no bother tell the taxi them, me make it go on. Oh yeah, talk girl, if me like you, me like you. So make the taxi go on. Me no bother go in and make the taxi go on boy business. So the boy finally reach out for the hill now, and then one of the taxi come now. When the taxi come on now, top man go in a taxi. I go in a taxi too. Are you me wait for the boy? I'm saying I say me wait for the one. Yeah, girl, and I'm sure. So the boy go in a taxi, I'm going in a taxi too. So it's like him said to me say if I can give him a call. Yeah, I think him ask me if I could give him a call off of my phone, and I tell him say I can't give him no call because I have no credit. And him say, no man, you don't really have no credit, man. Just give me a call. But to me big and eat that and full and can't take in. Me never realized that the boy did just want me to put him number in there. But him never want it that obvious for Andrew. Taxi man that carry with him Dirty Andrew. Him never want Dirty Andrew for to say I look him, I look me. Because guess what, the boy there, him did while and me not stay so enough girl that the boy did have, that the boy did name while and bad and come out. That the boy did full of girl people. Me not ask Christ. Him did have all heap of girl. Uvex. Yeah, the boy did have all heap of girl. Man, I ask Jesus, girl. Man, I tell you, you know how much girl me lick off of them foot? I don't even understand. Yeah, girl. So that's why sometimes when girl take my man nowadays, I can't vex. Because I do it too. So I go so boom. And the boy never want Andrew to say, I'm a number I want. So hear me now with my idiot self. Andrew, you have credits? Andrew said, no, I'm not a credits. So, I say, you want to send, please call me. Me, I love the boy too, you know, like me, I eat that. Boy, I never have no sense them time. Them not ask Christ. Me never have no any sense them time there. God, no. So, the boy goes to the boy say, yeah, but the police call me. So, I give the boy the phone. The boy give me the phone. The boy give me the phone. The boy say, Richard. I say, what? Call me confused. Call me, lend you my phone for send. Please call me. And then when you give me the phone, you're going to come tell me, Richard, what is? Some of them know say days of our life are young and the restless. So what go on here, so? So the boy say, Richard, so me now get nervous in my brain, you know, because me I wonder what really I go on here, so. So it's like him said to me, say, Richard, so me now start thinking of myself, Richard. I never forget the name there, you know. So it's like him come out of the taxi, but when the boy come out of the taxi, boy never say nothing to me people. The boy just come out of the taxi and go and business. So hurt me, see? But some heart gather up, because I couldn't believe some me, we brave and stay so, never have the courage. If you look at the boy and say, hey, me like you. I couldn't look at the boy and tell him something like it, people. And it never feel good. It never feel good. Me say it never rest well for my stomach. It come like a eat stew peas and never have no juice to wash it down. It never feel wonderful. So, got me hard. I'm not tell no lie. Told the boy cute. I'm there my yard. I'm just step on boy nice. Jesus. I wonder if me go see about that boy there. And boy, I'm not tell no lie. Boy did that. Boy, I don't know that the boy did have a special type of nice them time. Them not ask Jesus. So I'm go so boom people. I want mine say good as just search for Richard in the phone car. Him could have never say Richard for no reason. But true, me never know no Richard them time there. Me never have no Richard in my phone. Because me no know nobody name so. So when me search for Richard, me see one number pop up. So me I say, I wonder if a film number this. Then hear me look here. Me no business if a film number yes or no. The person where him did send, please call me. You must know him and can give me number. People me did desperate. Man I tell no lie. Told the boy did look good and the boy did cute. Me did desperate. Me did want the boy body bad. Me would not call the person, ask the person for him number. I never busy for him, mother, father, sister, brother, uncle, cat, rat, bat, sat. Me never care. Me just want the boy. So people, I got some boom now, you know. And me call the number. Send me call the number, the boy answer, people. When me call the phone and the good body boy answer, I say, y'all boss. Touch out, y'all boss. Me feel good. My heart start gather. Me not tell no lie. My heart, me just feel nice. Yeah, me just feel very, very nice. Yeah, girl. So when I call the boy phone or the boy answer, the boy just so pretty. You know them little man up on the phone and not talk to them. They have them little sweet, squeaky, nice voice there, so. And when boy say, hello, girl, everything everybody get up, I say, I'm not ask Christ. Cause I know them time they had them time they people, only know say when you're young and I got school at them time they love nice. They say when you turn big woman, love no nice. Yeah, love the nice. No, at them time they love nice. When I have no picnic for worry about, I ain't have no. You see, me not tell a lie. You see, love come like it nicer when you hide from your parents or you hide from your guardians. At them time they love nice, you know. Honestly, at them time they love nice. When they depend it and you bounce and go on and you have to peep through window and there's somebody a come catch you, or you have to watch out your phone and watch your time, or you have to rush the come. You don't know them some of the people. So anyways, I'm going to say boom bam baffling now. I'm going to splat off. And top man start talk to me nice and something and something. And I tell you no like me catch butterfly. My belly button start get up. What say? Jesus. Y'all feel good. So I did and me and the boy at 6 and we are going and me I told them say no. Remember say no orientation going in a summer. So all this happen in a summer. You know say me and the boy never have sex until why me say sex to go out for YouTube come black more video? True. Anyways, me and the boy never do nothing until we done when me did ready for go left school now. In at them time they would do little things. People may not tell no lie. Me never did know say you can rate somebody upon a level them the way the boy did start. But me not tell no lie. Due to you see how him look them time there. To how him look now. It don't come like God pull up him creation and make it over this time. And him did hungry and thirsty and tired. God no, me woulda never there with my ex right now. Me no business who have ex. Me not there back with my. Me da never there with that boy there right now. Never. But me tell you, so them time they him the nice bad. Them time they him did put the N in a nice. So say, him did put the S in a sweet. Him did put the P in a perfect. Good the way you say. The boy did stay really good. Him did stay good. Me not like wow. Him did stay good. Him did stay really good. So yeah guys, that's how I met the guy who took my virginity. And I already told you the virginity story. So for the person them wait no really know what it go on this so on the need for check my previous video them and then on we see what it go on this so watch a style you know people. Remember the curling iron it's 25 subscribers and it's yours. Just 25 subscribers. That's all. All you gotta do is get 25 persons to subscribe and send in the screenshots to my YouTube, to my Instagram. I'll be posting my Instagram in this video so you guys can go ahead and get y'all 25 persons to subscribe and win a curling iron. For the male, what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna give like $1,000 credit each to each male for 10 subscribers. So if you get me 10 subscribers, I'll give you $1,000 minutes to the males, and that's for like 3 persons because I'm doing three persons at a time per giveaway. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to be promising y'all stuff that I cannot give to y'all. I'm not gonna do that. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and comment. Oh, don't talk about my ear. I know it look bad, and if you said something bad about my ear, I'ma come for you. I'ma come for you in the comment section. Oh, I won't. So don't feel special. Don't do it. If you want to talk about my ear, go ahead. Me talk about it. It don't look good. Me know. But whatever. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Have a D. Wait. But I also have a D full night. I wonder if we can try that. Have a delicious. Shit. Oh my god. Okay, so have a delicious night. I did. I love you guys. Bye.